ฮัลโหลสวัสดีครับทุกคนกลับมาพบกับผมแล้วนะครับกับช่อง Live Simple Man นะครับ You see bus? Yeah, I see a lot of cars there. ก็วันนี้นะครับเป็นวันอังคารนะครับก็วันนี้เช้านี้ผมทำงานนะครับแล้วก็ตอนเย็นก็มีอีกหนึ่งงานนะครับก็คือวันนี้จะตารางงานไม่สวยนะครับแต่ว่าอย่างที่บอกไว้แล้วครับว่างานเล็กน้อยเก็บหมดนะครับต้องเอาไว้ก่อนนะครับช่วงนี้อย่าอายทำกินอย่ามีเงินน้อยอย่าคอยวาสนาก็ไม่เสียเวลาครับวันนี้เบรกจากการซ่อมรถนิดนึงนะครับเพราะว่าผมเองไม่ค่อยมีเวลาให้กับครอบครัวเท่าไหร่เพราะว่าพออยู่ในอู่ผมก็จะ 4-5 ชั่วโมงหายไปอย่างรวดเร็วนะครับเพราะว่ามันก็ทำนู่นทำนี่ก็วันนี้ก็เลยมีโอกาสนะครับไหนๆตารางงานเป็นงี้แล้วกลางวันก็เลยพาลูกชายออกมาขับรถข้างนอกนะครับก็วันนี้ไม่มีอะไรมากครับก็จะไปกาลาจนะครับแล้วก็ไปเอาจักรยานเพราะว่าจักรยานลูกชายผมจอดไว้ที่นั่นนะครับเพราะว่ามันกินที่นะครับรถต้องใช้เนื้อที่นะครับแล้วก็ไปปั่นจักรยานเล่นกันในสวนนะครับแล้วก็เดินสูดอากาศเหมือนเดิมครับแต่ว่าบรรยากาศของฤดูสปริงนั้นก็กำลังมาถึงนะครับตอนนี้อากาศไม่หนาวมากมีแดดนะครับแล้วก็มีกลิ่นของสปริงนะครับมันเป็นกลิ่นเฉพาะนะครับอันนี้เดี๋ยวคงอธิบายกันยากก็ยังไงก็ตามครับวันนี้คลิปเบรกเล็กน้อยไป enjoy ครอบครัวครับยังไงติดตามชมครับผมเจ้าเปา say hi to the cam hello so you got your bike now today yeah so and do you want to see Lupo inside yeah okay let's come and take the bike here I have the space here yeah I'll show you Lupo yes นี่ครับท้ายรถลกหน่อยนะครับรถใช้งานit's a key yeah because I have to open the trunk you want to see Lupo a bit right okay let's go you know but deep inside there is a hole on the ground so be careful yeah I'll show you you'll see be careful yeah walk carefully you can go inside just be careful your feet just go no this one is safe you can stay beside the Vespa oh where's the engine gone no engine is there it's on the Vespa seat but look I show you this is a cylinder yeah
I put this
Lupo has 4 cylinder yeah I cleaned it already last night I just put this so Paul what do you see in the garage I working do you like
yes
how do you feel
good
do you feel like junkie garage
yes
really
it looks like junkie garage guy
junkie garage guy okay Paul say to the camera
it looks like a junkie garage guy
seriously and you want to be a junkie garage guy with me
yes
really you work with me
let's break this wall
this wall it's break by itself
then what's happened
nothing happened but because it's old yes
then we paint
yes
and it will be much better
I wait when you grow up and then you fix the garage with me
yes
okay
yes this I can take out these
you want to take out the wall
yes because it's very old
okay I wait you grow up
because this one broken
what thing's broken
up here like
okay
mount
so will you fix with me
yes
how old will you fix with me Now you are 4 years old. How old you gonna fix with me?
Like 10.
10? Okay, I'll wait you when you're 10. Deal? Okay, this video will give you a promise. So touch my hand, Paul. When you're 10, you will help me fix the garage.
Yes.
So 6 year more, okay?
Show me in backside.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you see?
10 members.
Thai number?
Yes.
No, this is the alphabet.
Alphabet.
Yeah. Do you know how to read
What
it?
about this?
This is Nai
What about this?
Sara Ai Mai Malay.
Shita, shita, shita.
It's very difficult for you. Nai Rot Mi Dek. Can you say the same? What do you say? Nai Rot Mi Dek. Nai Rot Mi Dek.
Show me inside.
Okay, I show you. What's money, bo?
Ooh, I see engine.
Yeah, it's air filter housings.
It's just like from inside to that little engine.
Yeah, it's
just
the cover.
gold.
Yeah, because there is no space out there. I have to move it here a bit. So I can close now?
In door.
In the door? Maybe this size is better for you. Come on. And you can go inside.
Ooh,
Do you miss driving Lupo?
yes.
You have to give me a time a bit.
Not
Okay.
that too long.
That too long? No. No, it's not too long.
It's too long.
Really? Okay, I'm sorry. I will try to do it fast. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. What do you see?
Hockey.
Hockey stick.
Yes.
You play hockey? Do you play hockey, boss? Yeah?
Why there is big tire?
Because to fix it, I have to take out the tires. It's not so easy.
What about here?
Yeah, close door carefully. Careful your hand.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, is your wheel gone? Why you went to Michelin and change your tire?
No, the tire's here.
What's this?
This one is a jack floor to lift up the car.
Son, this thing is long.
Yeah. It's quite fine. No, but it's fine. It can lift the black car, then much more heavier. So, maybe we'll start to ride a bike?
Yes.
We'll bring to the car? Okay, let's go to the park. Masaki at ka.
Ciao.
Ciao. Where are we now?
Baku.
Baku? What we are doing? We will make bicycle one round. I walk, you talk, and you ride. Well, can you show your skill? Without hand. Leave out the hand. Well, leave out the hand. Both. 2 hands. Yeah. That's so funny. Oh, you know how to use the brake. Is it brake?
Stop.
Oh, you can ride reverse. Show me again. But we again every time forget the bread for the bird, right?
What is that carrot?
It's a PME necklace. Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. I see you. What does this sign mean? Can you tell me?
Bicycle in here.
Bicycle is in here? Are you serious? You mean bicycle is here? And how about the people? Is there people too?
What is that?
What?
What is this?
Ah, the tree is like that, yeah? I also don't know.
Look at this.
Let's go closer, maybe. You have to park your bike there, pal. You have to park your bike there and then let's walk. Yeah, it's okay.
I had this.
It looks like a bee house.
No, it's not. This is an house.
It's not look like a bee house? Come on, come closer. What is this? Well, come and look your bee house. This is not a bee house.
Oh, I was telling you, this is a yellow, yellow, yellow.
So what is that, Paus?
It's kind of this.
Kind of a tree root?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go to the bike. This is a new thing in the park. I don't know how long we haven't been here. Maybe 3 weeks? Right? What is this place, boss? Can you tell me? Tell me. It's a bicycle parking,
Yes.
right? Bicycle Vieta? It means you need to have a lock here. Yeah, and then you can park, and then you have a rope or a chain, and then you can park it. Oh, in these 2 or 3 weeks, there are something change. Don't hit me, Bray. Why you hit me?
No, why just don't let me to drive?
This is a nice tree. Ciao. Ciao. That noise. How to call that thing, Bob? Sounds like a agriculture scooter. No, what is the best word? Sounds like Vespa.
No, it's, I think, car bicycle.
I think I see mushroom here. You know, you can take a look, but you don't touch, okay?
Why?
Because normally, if mushroom that not in the shop, there is a poison. Yeah, it's a kind of mushroom, but you cannot eat. Deal? Only in the shop that you can touch and eat. Okay? It looks like a map.
Yes,
Got
very,
that?
very far.
This is Latvia.
Here and where we now.
It's a Riga. But don't touch it, yeah? It's a Riga. Oh, but there's still ice on the lake. You want to try walk?
Oh, afraid I dropped down.
Yeah, this one is danger. You can drop down. You are correct.
Afraid, like from purple for.
Yeah, you're correct. Very good, Paul. This is a bit danger. Yeah. Paul, left or right? Now you have to choose. Left or right? Because you don't hold the brake.
I hold it.
No, you have to hold like
Then it's
very
not
tight.
going to your car, and this is going to your car.
So you want to go car or you want to ride more and see something more too?
No, it's the one ride.
You also want to ride? Okay, then let's go left.
I said that.
Okay, go left.